The MicroTorque screwdriver range features advanced systems for precision tightening. The latest addition to the family, the new MicroTorque Focus 400 screwdriver system, is easy to use and set up. It's designed to bring productivity and quality to your assembly process. The MicroTorque Focus 400 controller can be used with any Digitorque screwdriver in the MicroTorque range, both fixtured and handheld. The system is accompanied by a complete range of accessories to fit into any workplace solution. All are ESD approved to comply with the standards of the industry. The new MicroTorque Focus 400 controller is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It's easy to set up and use with clear operator feedback. The system has buzzer sound and color display, with green for OK tightening, red for not OK tightening, and blue for batch OK. The MicroTorque Focus 400 controller is used together with state-of-the-art MicroTorque screwdrivers. Here you see the handheld Ergo tool with ergonomic rubber grip. The system has all the benefits of a MicroTorque system with torque and angle monitoring that will detect and eliminate common assembly problems such as cross threads and missing screws, or, as is the case here, trigger lost. The system can be set up directly on the controller, with toggle buttons making navigation easy. You can set torque with auto set by just pressing a few buttons, as well as batch size. The controller comes in two versions: Basic, where you can program 1 P-set, and Advanced with 3 P-sets. Batch count is available on both versions. The MicroTorque screwdriver range can be used with accessories to make screw handling easy, such as vacuum pickup. Atlas Copco has a comprehensive range of adapters to fit different lengths of bits, with interfaces to fit different tool sizes. The controller has I/O connections on the back, in this case for a vacuum pump for full solution integration. The nozzle is machined to fit a specific screw size. The vacuum pickup and shaker tray solution saves valuable operator time, thus increasing productivity. The system can be programmed on the controller, but can also be used with a PC for setting up programming in the ToolsTorque MicroTorque. The ToolsTorque MicroTorque is not only used for programming, but provides process control and transparency through the possibility of analyzing the tightening in detail by traces and storing data from the tightening process. This gives you full control over your assembly process and your quality. Atlas Copco, your tightening partner for a full system solution.